Hello everyone, this is the Autistic Girl and welcome to another voiceover video. In this video, I'm going to make the bujo setup for the month of May. The theme is inspired by the makeover page I made last year. Yes, the theme is fashion. So let's get started. I took out some journaling supplies because I did not want to make just a drawing cover. I wanted to use my lace stickers, my washi tape, and all that kind of stuff. Right now, I'm just taking out the journaling supplies that I want to use in the cover. So here I'm just seeing how to display all the pieces. I think this composition will look the best. I then decided that I didn't want to use just journaling supplies in my cover, so I made a drawing of a dress. I'm drawing a vintage dress to be precise. So here you can see that I was clearly indecisive of what style I should make. Like, should I make a dress? Like, should I make it a bit more tomboyish or girly or elegant? That sort of thing. So first I decided to use color pencils as the medium to color in the dress, but then I figured out that watercolor would look much better as compared to color pencils. Now I'm finally applying gum and pasting these pieces of paper. So now I'm applying the lace stickers and the washi tape. I don't know, but it felt like I was missing something, so I decided to use this washi tape roller, but it had some problem with it and I was unable to use it properly. So apparently the roller was broken, and in the attempt of making this work, I broke it even further. I showed it to mom and she said that it probably fell at some point to the ground and it broke at that point. but I don't think so. But maybe I just don't remember it. Maybe I was careless at some point. I don't know. But yeah, this did not work. So I got something like this, and I don't know if it's an achievement or what, but it's something. I thought it looked cool, but now that I look at it again, it does not look cool. I'm done with the cover page. But unfortunately, we have come to the end of this video. We took a lot of time to make the cover page, didn't we? So we'll cover the habit tracker, the mood tracker, this new thing I made, and the week 1 bujo setup in the part 2 video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Check out the description for more useful information and stay tuned.